Hey everyone, welcome to the Jay and May English Podcast. I'm May.
And I'm Mr. J. And
Today we are talking about three tiny words that cause so much confusion.
3 words that every English learner uses every single day.
But most people use them wrong. We're talking about a, an, and the.
And by the end of this episode,
You will finally understand them, like really understand them, not just memorize rules and forget them the next day.
that's the goal, real understanding. So let's get into it.
Okay, Mr. J, I have to be honest. When I first learned English, these 3 words felt like a trap. Like, why do we even need them? In many languages, they don't exist at all.
Exactly. And that is why they feel like a headache for so many learners. If your first language is Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, Russian, these articles just don't exist the same way. So your brain is learning something completely new.
Articles. That's the grammar name for them, right? A, an, and the are called articles.
Right. And don't worry about the word article too much. Just think of them as little helpers. They help your listener understand. Are we talking about something new, something specific, something general?
Oh, little helpers. I like that.
And once you feel the logic, not just memorize it, these little helpers become your best friends.
Okay, I'm already feeling better about this. But before we go deeper, Mr. J, tell the listeners why this matters so much.
Sure. Imagine you're at a coffee shop and you say, "Can I have coffee?" versus "Can I have the coffee?" Those 2 sentences feel different. One sounds like a general order, the other sounds like you're pointing at a specific coffee, maybe one that's already been made or one you already discussed.
Whoa, same words, totally different meaning. That's the power of articles. Small words, big difference. All right, I'm convinced. Let's learn this.
And hey, if you want tips like this every single week, tips that actually help you speak better English, not just pass a test, make sure you subscribe to this podcast. We drop new episodes every week, and every episode is made to transform your English step by step.
Yes, hit that subscribe or follow button right now. Okay, I'll stop. Mr. J, let's go.
All right, let's start with the easiest one to understand. A and an. These 2 are actually the same word, same meaning, same job.
Wait, same word?
Same idea, different form. A and an both mean one thing, one. Not specific, just one.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. I saw a dog. That means I saw one dog, not a specific dog, just some dog, a random dog.
Okay, so A means one thing and it doesn't matter which one.
Perfect. You just explained it better than most textbooks.
I did?
You did. Now, when do we use a versus an? This is the part people get confused by. And here's the simple trick.
Ooh, simple trick. Everyone pay attention.
Use a before a word that starts with a consonant sound. Use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U.
So, a cat, because cat starts with C,
Yes, C is a consonant,
and an apple, because apple starts with A.
which is a vowel. Exactly right.
Okay, easy. A dog, a book, an egg, an orange.
Beautiful. But now here's where it gets a little tricky. And this is important. It's not about the letter, it's about the sound.
Wait, the sound? What's the difference?
Great question. Look at this word hour, H-O-U-R. It starts with the letter H. H is a consonant, so you might think hour, right?
Yeah, I would say hour.
But we actually say an hour, because when you say hour, you don't say the H sound. You say hour. It starts with a vowel sound, so an hour.
Oh, so my ears decide, not my eyes.
Exactly. Your ears decide. Say the word out loud. If it starts with a vowel sound, use an. If it starts with a consonant sound, use a.
Okay, what about university? University. U is a vowel, so an university?
Good test, but no, we say a university. Because when you say university, the sound at the beginning is U, like the letter Y. That's a consonant sound.
What? University. Oh my gosh, you're right.
So, a university, a unique idea, a European country all start with a Y sound.
This is blowing my mind a little bit.
In a good way, I hope. Just remember, say the word out loud, listen to the first sound, and your ears will guide you.
Okay. I think I've got a and an. So when do I use the?
This is where it gets really interesting. The is completely different from a and an. A and an are for things that are new in the conversation, things your listener doesn't know about yet. The is for things that are already known, specific things.
Can you slow that down with an example?
Of course. Imagine you're telling a story. You say, I walked into a restaurant. New information. Your friend doesn't know which restaurant, just some restaurant.
Okay. A restaurant. New info.
Then the next sentence, the restaurant was beautiful. Now you use the because now both of you know which restaurant we're talking about, the one you just mentioned.
Oh, so the first time, a restaurant. Second time, the restaurant.
That's rule number 1 for the. Once something is known to both people, use the.
That actually makes so much sense. Like, I have a cat. The cat is orange.
Perfect example. You introduced the cat with a, then used the because now we both know about the cat.
I feel smart right now.
You should. Now, the also has another job. We use it when something is unique, when there's only one of it in the world.
Like what?
The sun, there's only one sun. The moon, one moon. The sky, we all share the same sky.
The president? Well, each country has one president at a time.
Exactly. The president of France, specific, unique. Use the.
What about the internet? There's only one internet.
Perfect. One internet, use the. You're getting this so fast.
Okay, real quick, I want to stop here for a second. Listeners, this is your moment. We call this our quick question break. Pause this episode right now and type your answer in the comments. Here's the question.
Fill in the blank. I saw blank elephant at the zoo. Blank elephant was eating bananas. Use a, an, or the.
Type your answer below. We read your comments and we love seeing you practice. Okay, go. Okay, welcome back. Mr. J, what's the answer?
I saw an elephant because elephant starts with a vowel sound, the E sound, and the elephant was eating bananas because now we're talking about the same elephant we already mentioned.
An elephant, the elephant. Got it. Okay, what else? What other times do we use the?
This part is vital, so pay close attention. We use the with things that are shared and specific in a situation, even without saying them before. For example, if you walk into a room, you might say, "Can you turn off the light?"
But you never said which light before.
Right. But in that room, there's only one light, or there's a specific one you mean. The listener understands. The situation makes it clear.
Oh, like if I'm in a car with someone and I say, close the window, they know which window I mean, their window, the one next to them.
Exactly. Context makes it clear. That's the at work.
Okay, what about no article? Like sometimes in English, we don't say a or the at all, right?
Great point. Yes. Sometimes you need zero article. For example, general ideas. I love music, not I love the music, not I love a music, just I love music.
Oh, right. I love coffee. She studies English. They play football.
Yes. When you speak in general about a whole category of things, no article. Dogs are friendly, not the dogs are friendly, unless you mean specific dogs.
So, dogs are friendly means all dogs in general. But the dogs are friendly means specific dogs, like the dogs in this park.
You are on fire today.
Thank you. Okay, so let me try to feel this. No article for general things, a or an for one new unspecific thing, the for specific known things.
That is honestly one of the clearest summaries I've ever heard.
I should teach this class.
Almost. Let's do a few more real-life examples to really lock this in. This is the simple trick part. I want to give listeners one practical test they can use anytime.
Yes, give us the trick.
When you're not sure which article to use, ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Is this the first time I'm mentioning it? If yes, use a or an.
Okay, first mention a or an.
2. Do both the speaker and listener already know which one we mean? If yes, use the.
Already known, specific, the.
3. Am I talking about something in general, a whole category? If yes, no article at all.
3 questions. First mention, a or an. Already known, the. General category, nothing.
That's your cheat code.
I love a good cheat code.
Let's test it quickly. She wants to be blank doctor.
Okay, is it the first time we mention this? Yes. Is it a specific doctor? No. So, a doctor. She wants to be a doctor.
Correct. Now, she wants to work at blank hospital in our city.
The hospital, because there's a specific hospital. The one in our city. We both know which one.
Perfect. One more. Blank, honesty is important.
Honesty in general, no specific honesty, general idea, so no article. Just honesty is important.
You just passed the test.
Yes! Okay, listeners, you passed too, right? Tell us in the comments.
Now, a few common mistakes to watch out for. Learners often say, I am student, but the correct sentence is, I am a student, one student, not specific. Use a.
Oh yeah, I used to say that. I am student. It sounds weird in English.
It does, because in English, we almost never use a job title or a description without an article or something before it. I am a teacher. She is an engineer. He is a pilot.
What about I am the best? Is that okay?
The best, yes, that works, because the best means the most specific level. Number 1. There's only one best, so the fits.
I am the best. I like that sentence.
Another common mistake, people say, can you give me information? But then they say, can you give me an information? That's wrong. Information is what we call an uncountable noun. You can't say one information, two informations. So you never say a information or an information, just information or the information.
Uncountable noun. So words like information, water, music, love, no a or an?
Exactly. You'd say, I need water, not I need a water. Or I need the water if it's specific, like pass me the water at the dinner table.
Okay, I think I need to write all of this down.
That brings us to our recap. Let's go through everything we learned today, nice and simple.
Okay, number 1.
A and an mean the same thing. One, not specific. Use a before consonant sounds. Use an before vowel sounds. And remember, it's about the sound, not the spelling.
Number 2.
The is for things that are already known, specific, or unique. First mention, a or an. After that, the.
Number 3.
No article for general ideas, uncountable nouns, and whole categories. I love music. Water is important. Dogs are loyal.
And the 3 questions trick. First mention, a or an. Already known, the. General category, nothing.
That's everything. In about 15 minutes, you now have a clear, practical understanding of one of the most confusing parts of English grammar.
And you did it. If you're listening right now, you stuck with us to the end, and that matters. That's how transformation happens, one episode at a time.
Practice makes permanent, so take what you learned today and use it. Write a few sentences, talk to someone, think about which article fits.
And here's your final challenge. We want you to comment below with this. Tell us one thing you did today. Use a, an, or the in your sentence. For example, I drank a cup of coffee this morning, or the weather today is beautiful.
We will read your comments, and if you want more episodes like this, subscribe, follow, leave us a review. It really helps this podcast grow and helps more learners like you find us.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. This is May,
And Mr. J.
reminding you great English is built one word at a time. See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.